Hi guys, we have a MAN TGE from 2022. It came in with a fault on the rail pressure too high. Sorry for the glare. So rail pressure too high. We can see the actual value, nominal and actual, they are the same in this free frame, but we have seen that it was 2000 and this was, the actual was 2700, so the rail pressure was way too high. All the fault codes we had were p0088 torque management system, forced motor stop. Also a fault code p0641 sensor reference A, and we had a camshaft position sensor p0341. So when we drove the car, every time the rail pressure too high came back. So we did some measurements on the rail pressure sensor, and we found out that the 5-volt reference drops. So in this case, if the 5-volt reference drops, the signal wire goes up to 5 volt, and that's why it will set a fault code for rail pressure too high. So there's nothing wrong with the rail system, the fuel system or the rail pressure sensor, but because of the reference fault, we also had this one. The signal wire goes to 5 volt, and that's when the fault code was set. These faults were in the car when we had the car for one time. So we booked it in for diagnose, but after that we only got the fault code for the rail pressure. So we were a little bit worried that there could be another problem. So we scoped the trace and we could see it dropping. The 5-volt reference was dropping. In my next video I will show you the problem location. So if you look now, we have 5-volt reference at 2 points we measure. So
no faults.
No fault codes. The connector, do I think what is the O2 sensor, has a short in the white wire. So I will try to make it short. My colleague will video the scope trace. Ready?
Yeah.
Kan je zo zien? Kijk, dan ga ik even fout.